Think an office monitor can't be exciting? Think again. Stick around till the end because the Philips 272S1M has some surprising weaknesses you need to know about. The design is sleek and understated, perfect for the office. The near borderless front gives it a modern and clean look. Thanks to Smart Ergo Base, you can adjust it to fit any work position. But is it really as flexible as higher-end models? How does the build quality compare to similarly priced IPS monitors? Be sure to check the current price via the Amazon link in the video description. There might just be a great deal right now. The IPS screen delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, perfect for office work, web browsing, or creative tasks. The 75 Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync eliminate screen tearing, a real plus for casual gaming or movie watching. Smart image modes allow quick one-click optimization between office, movie, and gaming. For longer work sessions, it has low blue, flicker-free, and TÜV certification, all designed to reduce eye strain. Easy Read mode simulates a paper-like experience, a helpful feature for extended reading or text-heavy tasks. The built-in speakers, 2x2 watts, are convenient for occasional use, while the USB hub is a great addition for managing peripherals without cluttering your desk. If you like this feature set, be sure to subscribe to our channel. You won't miss any review updates or top deals. So what are the actual advantages and weaknesses of this Philips monitor? Cons: only full HD on a 27-inch screen, not super sharp if you sit very close. Speakers are thin sounding, no USB-C, missing modern connectivity options. Max brightness only 300 nits, not great for very bright environments. No HDR support. Pros: vibrant, color-accurate IPS display. Highly ergonomic, height, pivot, swivel adjustments. Adaptive sync for smooth performance and casual gaming. Smart image modes for instant optimization. Eye-friendly features: TUV, low blue, flicker-free. Solid USB hub for office peripherals. Environmental certifications: Energy Star, APEAT, TCO. If you're looking for an ergonomic, eye-friendly office monitor with solid image quality and you don't need UHD, the Philips 272S1M is a very good option. Check the Amazon link below to see the latest offers. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Tell us, what's your most important feature in a monitor? That gives you a complete 1,050-word script, energetic, informative, and conversion optimized. Perfect for your voiceover. Good luck with the video.